Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vintage Antiquities with new video and new idea. The video I have bought for you today that is about beautiful house cross stitch pattern designs winter season. You can see the beautiful nature designs and snow falling and winter cross stitch pattern designing. You can easily choose and make these beautiful cross stitch pattern designs on different items. So because these are very clean and close up, you can watch video till end and choose the winter house cross stitch pattern designs, beautiful sceneries, nature designs. You can easily make these cross stitch pattern designs on different items and like as pillows, cushions, cover corners, and decorate your walls with these cross stitch pattern designing. I hope friends you like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then you encourage me and vote me by subscribing my channel, by liking my video and sharing my video with friends. Don't forget press bell icon. By pressing bell icon you can easily get notification of my new videos and you can easily watch videos and get ideas of your choice. Different ideas and different designing you can easily choose from my channel if you visit my channel and watch videos about different cross stitch pattern designs, different ideas and different designs about Brazilian embroidery, Turkish embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery designing ideas. You can get different cross stitch pattern designs, animals cross stitch, fruit cross stitch pattern designing ideas. You can easily choose. I hope you like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then you tell me in comment section. I am waiting your comments. Your comments is very important for me. These are beautiful nature cross stitch pattern designing ideas. If you want videos and ideas of your choice, then you tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can easily watch videos and get ideas of your choice. And you can choose the different pattern designing from this video. Different unique and beautiful nature cross stitch pattern designing in this video. And I hope this video is very helpful for you. You can choose easily and tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. Friends, you can easily make these cross stitch pattern designs and decorate your walls with these cross stitch pattern designs, making these and frame it. Different sceneries ideas you can choose from this video. Beautiful winter collection. And friends, you can see as a cushion covers with these cross stitch pattern designs and easily make different color combination ideas you can choose from this video. And if you want videos and ideas, then you visit my channel and watch videos. You can see different nature style and you can share this video with friends and family members who can easily make these cross stitch pattern designs. And you can easily learn these cross stitch pattern designs from different videos about cross stitch pattern designs. These are very beautiful and easy pattern designing. Friends, you can watch video till end and choose the different embroidery designing and different cross stitch pattern designs. These are very unique cross stitch pattern designs. Cross stitch pattern designs is also called char suti embroidery. And you can choose the color combination ideas from this video and easily make these cross stitch pattern designs. You can easily choose different embroidery pattern designs and cross stitch pattern designs. You can take a screenshot and save the cross stitch pattern designs in front of you. Friends, if you visit my channel, then you tell me in comment section if you want videos and ideas about different pattern designing and different embroidery designing. Then you easily watch different videos and ideas about different ideas of your choice. These are very unique embroidery designing ideas I have bought for you. I hope friends you can watch video till end and easily choose the different house cross stitch pattern designs and easily make these house cross stitch pattern designs on different items and decorate your home on winter seasons. Now friends, I am going. We meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.